Hello and welcome to this new video. If you're new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top there is an source bar. Click on the source bar and type OnlyFans, and when you have typed it, just press enter in your keyboard. After that, the OnlyFans official website will be shown to you. You just have to click on this source result and the OnlyFans will be opened, and in the bottom there is an sign in with Google option. You just have to click on sign in with Google option or the button, and you just need to select an email address with which you want to sign in. I just select an email address with which I want to sign in, and after that you just have to click on the continue button that is on the right hand side. And after that, as you can see, I have successfully logged in into the OnlyFans. So this is how you can easily sign in with Google on OnlyFans. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.